who is viewing this video. Bored na ba kayo during these quarantine days? Let me help you do something different today. We'll be doing the Dalgona Milo Graham Cake. So guys, ready na akong maggawa ng cake. At una natin gagawin ay ang mag-pray. Kasi first time natin gagawin ito, no? For first layer, we need our crushed grahams, 2 cups of crushed grahams, and 1/4 cup of butter. Mix the 2 ingredients. So this is the 2 cups of graham and the melted butter. For second step, get your tray. And then, pour the graham cake with butter. Mantayin yung graham para sa ating first layer. Then our Nestle cream and condensada. Ilagay yung Nestle cream. Tapos, unti-unting ilagay yung kondensada. Huwag nyo lalahatin agad. Mga kalahati lang muna. And then, i-mix natin using our blender. Gawin ito hanggang magiging fluffy na yung mixture natin. Malamig na yung first layer natin. So, pwede natin ipatong yung second layer na ginawa natin. For our final layer, we need our coffee, powdered coffee, Milo, and lastly, sugar. You may add some coffee or Milo if you wanted. Depende sa inyong panlasa. And also hot water. Okay na yung dry ingredients natin. Haluin natin. Gagamitin natin siya ulit na mixer. Malamig na at saka matigas yung una nating layers kanina. So, lagyan na natin. So, ayan, meron na siyang lahat. Patungan na lang natin ang another layer. Para mas madami. Wow! Kung may mga natira pa kayo, pwede niya yung gawing Dalgona coffee. Okay? So, I'm gonna show you. Okay na yung ating Dalgona Milo Graham Cake. Pwede natin lagyan siya ng toppings like chocolates, powders, or whatsoever. Since walang available na chocolate, I decided to put some Milo powder in the top of it. Okay. So ngayon, tapos na tayong gumawa ng Dalgona Milo Graham Cake. Let's try it. For our first ever STEM vlog.